Nope, there's the last egg. Oh, there you go. That's her first clutch. It's a double het for albino and granite, bred to a albino granite. So in 55 to 60 days, we'll see what the outcome is. Alright, bye.